Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the new feature of the Claude, that is Claude Design. So Claude Design is a brand new experimental product from Anthropic Labs launched 17th of April. It lets anyone create polished visual content, prototypes, slide decks, one pagers, marketing assets, or even you can create the video, explainer video also, because I have tried that one. Okay. So Cloud Design starts with the conversation. You would describe your idea. Claude builds first version. You refine it by talking using inline comments, sliders, and the direct edits. The product is powered by the Claude Opus 4.7 Anthropic most capable version model, which can process images up to 3.7 megapixels over the 3 times the resolution of prior Claude models. It is available now in research preview for the paid subscribers. So if you are using free, it not be you are not able to use that one. But I have already have the subscription. Let's take a look what exactly it is. So first you have to just add Claude, and here we have to add design. Okay, so here you can see that I can access the design from template. Okay, if you want to go with the animation based, you can just select animation based project name. You will go with anything. Okay, set up the design system. Okay, create from the template. So here it asks me for some of the features. If you want to go with the animation, just add the test, create from the template. So you have to describe your animated video regarding this, which kind of animated video you want. You can describe it, drag the Figma file also, screenshot, design system, whatever, it depends on to you. Okay, so this is the new feature that the Claude has released. let's and if I open this feature in my non-paid subscription plan, so let's take a look how it behaves. So basically if I just go over there, here you can see that Claude Design is available to the users on subscription plans. Okay, so you can't able to access without subscription, right? So if you want to use this feature, so add a subscription plan and use it. Okay, so how to use Claude Design? Open Claude Design using the claude.ai slash I've already told about. Okay, describe what you want, review the first version, refine, export, share. Export formats will be PDF, PPT, URL link sent to the Canva. So this is very important. Okay, what you can build with, you can build the prototype, pitch decks and the slides, one pagers, marketing assets, design system tokens, research visualizations, built for the non-designers who need great design. So non-tech designers can use that one. Key feature, that is conversational refinement, purpose built sliders, image upload, brand system onboarding, flexible export options, inline comments and the edits. Okay, and the Canva partnership. Claude Design complements Canva. It gets you from the idea to the visual fast. Canva takes across the finish line with the full editing and the collaboration. So go ahead and just let me know what about your views regarding this Claude Design. Thank you so much for watching this video. For new updates, follow me and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.